Good morning everyone. So today let's begin with the topic prokaryotic cell. Actually prokaryotic cell we have already studied in our Monera kingdom, isn't it? We have studied about the cell of bacteria. So this is actually just like a part of revision, okay? We will just highlight the important points, important features that are found in the prokaryotic cells. Now the name itself indicates prokaryotic cell, that means the cells which lack a membrane bound nucleus. Got it? As there is no membrane, that means what happened? The nuclear content, whatever is present, it will remain scattered in the cytoplasm. Okay? So these are simple cells, primitive cells, which lack a membrane bound nucleus. Actually, we cannot say the nucleus is absent here because nuclear content is present. So we will mention the word the nuclear membrane bound nucleus is absent. Got it? Okay, now here cell wall is actually present, okay, in bacteria and cyanobacteria. But in case of mycoplasma or PPLO, I hope you have remembered in our early classes we have studied about the smallest organism, that is PPLO and mycoplasma. They lack the cell wall, okay, and the bacterial cell wall, it consists of what? Peptidoglycan, isn't it? So these are the main things which will have the cell wall, but here PPLO and mycoplasma will lack cell wall. Then the nuclear material, which is a very important part of a cell, isn't it? Here DNA is naked and it is variously coiled. That means it will remain in a coiled fashion because there is not a membrane bound nucleus is present, isn't it? That's why this will remain scattered in the cytoplasm. These are also known as the genophore, nuclear body, or the nucleoids. And these are actually the equivalent or similar to the single naked chromosome, and for which these are also known as the prochromosomes. Got it? Now some of them have some smaller circular DNAs. Now that means in some bacteria they have circular small DNAs which act as a vehicle, okay, for various experimental studies for transfer of DNA. So that particular structure is known as plasmid. It contains many factors like fertility factor, resistant factor, okay. So that is circular DNA is called plasmid. Then flagella and fimbriae. Now if you have remembered the cell structure of bacteria, then there we have got a single-stranded flagella, isn't it? The flagella, its main function is motility. That means it will help the cell for movement. But in some other cases also, what happened? There are some non-motile appendages present, which are known as the pili or fimbriae. Now, pili actually it is responsible for conjugation, isn't it? It is a sex pili. And fimbriae, these are meant for attachment, so that it can attach to the host for its functionings, okay. So flagella for movement, fimbriae for attachment, and sex pilus or pili for conjugation, that is sexual reproduction. Next, the photosynthetic thylakoids. Now not all but some bacteria are photoautotropic. That means they have photosynthetic thylakoids. They will perform photosynthesis. They will prepare their own food, isn't it? We have already studied about it. And also in case of blue-green algae, that is the cyanobacteria, they have thylakoids, photosynthetic thylakoids, but actually these are not arranged to form the chloroplast. They remain scattered freely in the cytoplasm. They perform photosynthesis, but a proper organelle is not formed because we are already telling that membrane bound system is not present, isn't it? And all the cell organelles, they actually are absent here, okay. We will not find any type of cell organelles. Now here only see, we are telling that the thylakoids, they are remaining scattered in the cytoplasm. Now in case of eukaryotic cells, what happened? They remain completely within a membrane bound structure that is known as the chloroplast, isn't it? So here it is completely absent. That means they lack the membrane bound cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum. All these structures are absent here. Then here actually instead of vacuoles, gas vacuoles are present, okay. Then ribosome, 70S ribosome. Now ribosomes are actually the main protein factories of the cell, isn't it? They help in the protein synthesis mechanism. So here, and basically we find two types, 70 and 80S, and in case of prokaryotic cells, 70S ribosomes are present. Then these prokaryotes, actually they have one envelope system. That means, see, in the whole cell, except for the cell membrane, other all membranes are absent, isn't it? Nor there is any membrane bound organelle, nor the nuclear membrane is present. That's why the whole cell consists of only a single membrane envelope. Okay, that is an important part in case of the prokaryotic cells. Okay, now here you see, this is the bacterial cell, if you have remembered. Now this cell actually consists of a single membrane, isn't it? This is the single membrane which is enclosing the whole structure. This is the nuclear genetic material. This is the mycoplasma, isn't it? The extension of the cell membrane. These are fimbriae and this is the flagella. So here what happened? Actually, instead of, except for the membrane, cell membrane, other all membranes are absent. That's why we use the term one envelope system in case of the prokaryotic cells. Okay, got it? Now, next actually what happens in case of here prokaryotic cells, the transcription and translation. Basically what we say that in eukaryotic cells, they are occurring in either in the nucleus or in the cytoplasm, but in case of prokaryotic cell, the transcription and translation, they both occur in the cytoplasm. Here the DNA content is quite low, okay, and the respiratory enzymes, they lie in contact with the cell membrane. Now if you remember the bacterial cell, these portions, they contain the respiratory enzymes, isn't it? So these are the basic points, important points of the prokaryotic cells, and whatever we have studied actually in case of bacteria and Monera, these are only summarized in here. So these are the main important points. Go through the points properly, go through the videos, and if you find any problem, any difficulties, then please let me know.